Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're at the dentist, a place that many people feel anxious about. Having the right vocabulary helps you communicate clearly and feel more in control. When you arrive and the dentist asks, "What's brought you in today?" you need to describe your problem clearly. Describing dental pain uses specific vocabulary. A dull ache is a low, persistent pain, not sharp. A sharp pain comes suddenly and strongly. Throbbing means the pain pulses like a heartbeat. And sensitivity means pain triggered by specific things, like cold drinks, hot food, or sweet things. You might say, "I've got a constant dull ache in my lower left molar. It started about 2 weeks ago." Or, "It's really sensitive to cold. Even breathing in cold air through my mouth is uncomfortable." The more specific you are, the better the dentist can diagnose the problem. Common dental problems include cavities, small holes caused by decay, which are treated with a filling. If a tooth is badly damaged, a crown, a cap that covers the whole tooth may be needed. If a tooth can't be saved, extraction, removal is the last resort. And gum disease affects the soft tissue around the teeth, causing bleeding, inflammation, and if untreated, tooth loss. If you're nervous, it's completely fine to say so. "I'm quite anxious about this. Could you explain what you're going to do before you start?" A good dentist will talk you through every step. The dentist will usually offer a local anesthetic, an injection to numb the area. You might ask, "How long does the numbness last?" Or, "Will I be able to eat and drink afterwards?" After treatment, you'll usually be given aftercare advice. Avoid eating for an hour, take painkillers if needed. Avoid hot drinks until the numbness wears off. Today, we covered describing pain, common treatments, asking questions, and aftercare. Good communication leads to better dental care. See you next time.